In this video, I will show you how to increase your video memory size or graphic video size without any software used. So follow each and every step to get results. First, open your device manager and check for graphics driver if it is updated or not. As you can see that it is updated. If it is not updated, you can update it. Now open run and type regedit. It is a run key for Registry editor. After it is open, at the side scroll to H key locker machine and then to software and then to enter and create new key there. Name it as DMM. Create a new string of 32-bit there and rename it as dedicated segment size. There are some orders to follow. If you have 2 GB RAM, then select 256 and you can see what you have to select. I have 8 GB RAM, so I will select 1024. Click on modify and then in the hexadecimal value enter that value and then OK. At last, I recommend you to restart the PC to apply the changes. This was all. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel.